Hi guys! So for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. I'm not sure which colors I'm gonna blend yet. I will just see as I go what goes well together. But I will start with the yellow one. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now through that last chain from a hook I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So we need to have 12 double crochets with 1 chain in between. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now to finish row 1, I will chain 1, and right here through that third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Then right here through this first 1 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. So now to finish row 2, I'll chain 2, then right here through this third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll use yarn in red color. Now right here through this first 2 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. And now I'll chain 3. Now right there through this 2 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you see here right here through this first double crochet chain, not through the third chain but through the first double crochet chain, I insert my hook. Then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. And now I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now through this next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 3, and this is row 3. Now right there through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now right here through this first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again I'll chain 3, then through the same 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Then through this next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now right there through that first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. again I'll chain 3, then through the same 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now right here, through this first double crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 3, then through the same 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3. And now to finish row 3, I will chain 3, then right here through the same 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Then right here through the next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 3. And now for row 4, I'll use yarn in white color. Now right here between these 2 popcorn stitches, I'll insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 9, then through this next slip stitch I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 9, through this next slip stitch I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 9, through this next slip stitch I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 9, through this next slip stitch I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 9, through this next slip stitch I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 4. Now to finish row 4, right here through this first chain, right there, I'll make a slip stitch. Yeah, I should have made a slip stitch there instead of single crochet, but I just realized it now. Now I'll chain 1, and then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 4. Now we have one more row and we'll be done. Right here through this first 9 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet, then I'll make 2 half double crochet, I'll make 2 double crochet, I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 2 single crochet. Now through this next 9 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, through this next 9 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet. Through this next 9 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 2 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'm sorry about the noise outside. Then through that same loop I'll make 2 half double crochet, and through that same loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Then we repeat the same thing for the rest of these 9 chain loops. So repeat this throughout row 5. So now to finish this last row, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this is how our finished flower looks. Let's see how large it is. It's around 7.5 inches large. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.